Oh, we have the top over here. The dolly works really good. It's a good tough one. And we have the sand on here, about a 1/4 inch thick. And as tempted as I am to try to put it on by myself, I don't think that's a wise idea. So I'll just text my brother-in-law, and I think the two of us can get it. Wouldn't hurt if we had more people, but it is pretty heavy. Ideally, we want to bring it up, get it in about position, and then set it down. Whereas maybe I could do it, but I would have to slide it if I could even do that. But I'm guessing I probably could if I tipped it on its end here and then pivoted it up, but then slid it across. But that would get rid of all my sand. So that would defeat the sand part. And it's a little risky too. I don't want to hurt my back or anything. Okay, but we're all ready to go. Might go mow some lawn and then wait for some help. And we may get this done today, but if not, tomorrow's fine too. Looking good though.